Hello, Pat. Good evening. Can you turn on your video for me? All right. Oh, I can see your head and your eyes only. Oh, there you go. Okay, how are you? How are you? Very good. Yes. Also, teacher is also very good or fine tonight. Now, are you ready to learn tonight? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. So, let's start our class. Very good, Pat. So, behave. We are now here. All right. Wait for a while since I am sharing my screen with you. All right. There you go for a while. Okay. Can you see teacher's screen? Can you see my screen? Yes. So it says here, if you are ready, eyes on me. So I want you to look at me always and also listen to me. That is one of the important thing for us to learn in this class. Look at me and listen. Okay, next. Oh, what lesson are we now? Lesson? Can you tell me the lesson? Lesson
33.2.
All right, lesson 33.2. And what is that lesson?
Birthday.
Birthday. Oh, so this lesson is the continuation of the lesson we had last Saturday. Because last Saturday we talked about birthday, and now lesson 33.2 is also about birthday. Now let's try to start with vocabulary. Vocabulary are those words that are new to you and you will learn in this lesson. Okay, now first, this one. What can you do at a birthday party? What can you do at the wait for a while. All right. What can you do at the birthday party? I have here three things. This, and this. Look at picture number 1. What do you think they are doing? They are? Do you know? Do you know what are they doing? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So what are they doing in the first picture? They are?
Six.
They are 6. Yes, they are 6 and they are... what is that? Play games. So they are playing. So how many children are playing? Can you tell me again how many children are playing? There are... Oh, 1. Let's count. Let's count the number of children who are playing. 1. Next. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many children are playing? There are 6 children. Great. There are 6 children. Now here, second picture. Look at what they are doing in the second picture. They are... Look at them. They are. What's that? Do you know what are they doing?
Easy.
Singing, right? So they are singing a song or sing a song. Again, can you repeat?
The song.
Yes, they sing a song. Now, how many children are singing? How many children are singing? How many children? 1, 3. Yes, there are 3 children that are singing. Next, how about the third picture? What is the third picture doing? They are what? This.
Dance.
Dance, or they are dance or dancing. Now, again, what are the 3 pictures doing? The first one is, what's the first one? This one, what is this? They
Play games.
play games. Second one, they
Sing a song.
sing a song. Good. Third one, they are
Dance.
dance. Right. Now, do you play games, Pat? Do you play games? Yes or no? Yes. How about, do you sing a song? Do you sing? Yes or no? Do you sing?
Yes.
Yes, also. Wow, so talented. How about this one? Do you dance? Do you know how to dance? Pat? Yes, wow. You sing, you dance, and you also play games. So playing games, sing a song, and dance are some example of things you do during birthday party. If you go to a birthday, there are games, there are some people will sing, and some people will dance. Okay, next. All right. So here, aside from playing, aside from singing, aside from dancing, there are also 3 things that you also do as you go to a birthday party. Look at the first one, the boy and the girl. What are they doing, the boy and the girl? They are, look at what they are holding. They are holding a cake. Now, what are they doing? They are what? They are, now what are they doing? They are, do you know what they're doing? Yes or no? Do you know what are they doing? They are what? Okay, look at here. Look at here. Ah, they what? Eat. They eat. Yes. How about the second one? The second one, they are drink. Okay? The second one, they drink. Yes. And the third one, they what's the third one? Talk. Okay, so again, what are the three things that they do on a birthday party? First day. Please read. What's the first thing? Eat. Second, they
Drink.
drink. And the third one, they
Talk.
talk. Right. So those are, again, three examples on what are the things that they do on a birthday party. All right. Now, what can you do at a birthday party? Okay. How about you? What can you do at a birthday party? I can. Okay, we talk about 6, right? We talk about 6. So, what can you do there? I can. I can play games. Very good. What else? I can. Again? Sing. I can sing a song. Great. What else? I can. What else? Another one. Last one. I can. I can drink or I can talk.
Dance.
Again?
I can dance.
I can dance. Oh, so Pat can sing a song, Pat can play games, and Pat can dance. Very good, Pat. Now next, what can you eat or drink at a birthday party? What can you eat there? You can eat. This one. I can eat. What can you eat there? Eat? What can you eat there? Look at the picture. Cakes and candies. Again, I can eat cakes and
candy.
very good. You can eat cakes and candies. What else? What can you drink?
I can drink soda and juice.
Oh, I can eat soda and juice. Very good. So those are some examples of things you will do on a birthday party. All right, next. Here, you're going to read and check. All right, check, check, check. Now tell me. Okay, first, number 1. What is number 1? This one. Please read number 1. What's this? Look at number 1, Pat. What is this?
Drink.
Drink. All right. So here, what picture here shows that people are drinking? 1, 2, or 3?
2.
2. Okay, I'll put check because Pat says it's number 2. Next, how about number 2? Please read number 2.
Sing a song.
Sing a song. So where is sing a song? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3?
2.
2. Singing a song. Number 2. Are you sure? 1, 2, or 3? Singing. La 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 la.
1.
1. All right. Is 1 your final answer? Are you sure with number 1?
Yes.
Yes. All right. And Pat's answer is number 1. So I'll check it. Next, how about number 3? What is in number 3? Please read. What's it? Eat. Right. Eat. Now, what picture here shows eating or eat? 1, 2, or 3?
2.
2. Are you sure with number 2? Yes or no? Are you sure? Yes, number 2. All right, teacher will check it. Now, how about number 4? What is number 4?
Talk.
Talk. Okay, where is talk? 1, 2, or 3? Okay, 1, 2, or 3? 3. I will check it. Okay, since you're done answering, it's time for us to check your work. Now here, number 1, drink. Okay, your drink here is number 2. Let's try to check number 2. Are you correct? Check.
Yes.
Yes, very good, Pat. Correct. Great job. You figure out where is the picture that is drinking. Look at this one, drinking soda. And I think this one is juice. All right. Next, number 2, sing a song. Your answer is number 1. Let's try to check here, number 1. Are you correct?
Yes.
Yes, number 1. Because this one is bringing a guitar, and this one, the girl one, is bringing microphone. So they are singing. Great. Good work, Pat. Next, number 3. Okay, eat. Your answer is number 2. Okay, let's check number 2. Okay, number 2. Look at the picture. What do you think they are eating? What are they eating, Pat? Look at the picture, the small picture. What are they eating? They are eating... They are eating...
Yes.
Cake. Yes. Yes, very good. They are eating cake. Next, how about number 4? Talk. Okay, your answer in talk is this one. Let's try to check your work. Okay. Talk. Great job. This is talk. Are you correct? Are you correct?
Yes.
I know.
Yes.
Yes. So look at your work. You got correct in number 1, check in number 2, check in number 3, and check in number 4. Very good. Great job, Pat. You always do good. Next. All right. Now, before we answer, can we please read everything? What is this? Please read. What's this?
Sing a song.
No. Read everything. Read, and read. What's this?
Dance.
Dance.
Sing a song.
Sing a song.
Drink.
Drink.
Eat.
Eat. This one.
Talk.
Talk. This one.
Play games.
Play games. This one.
Eat.
Eat. And the last one is?
Talk.
Talk. All right. Number 1. Okay, number 1. What is number 1 showing? Number 1, dance or sing a song?
Sing a song.
Sing a song. All right, I will check it. I'll encircle it because that is your answer. Next, number 2. What is the set number 2 doing? Drink or eat? Look at number 2. Drink or eat?
Eat.
Eat. Okay, your answer in number 2 is eat. All right, let's check it later. Next, number 3. What are they doing? Talk or play games?
Play.
Play games. All right, teacher will encircle it. Play games. And number 4. What are they doing? Eat or talk? Number 4. Look at 4. Eat, talk. All right. Now, it's time for us to check your work. Okay. In number 1, your answer is sing a song. Okay. Look at the screen and let's try to check if your answer is correct. Number 1 is... Oh, are you correct?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Pat. Very good. Next, number 2. Let's try to check number 2. Your answer is eat. Oh, are you correct again?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Next, number 3. Your answer is play games. Now, let's try to check. Look at the screen. Oh, are you correct?
Yes.
Yes. Next, number 4. Your answer is talk. Talk. Okay, let's figure out if it is correct. Talk. Very good. So I will give you stars. 10 stars because you are perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars. Very good, Pat. You are doing great. Very good. All right, let's try to go to another slide. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, here. We are going to match. Okay? Match meaning you will draw line. But before we draw line, I will write first numbers. Okay? For you not to confuse. This is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. All right, there you go. Now here, can you let us please read the words here? What's the first word? This is? What's the first word?
Drink.
Drink. Next, second word.
Find.
Huh? Now, second word. Again? What is this again?
No, 5 is 6.
Oh, later. Listen. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Listen. Drink. This one. What is this? Please read. Read. Eat. What's this?
Eat.
Eat. Next. What is this?
Dance.
Dance. This one.
Sing.
Sing. This one.
Play.
Play. And the last one is talk. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now here, I will draw a line and you're going to tell me where will I point it. Okay? Tell me. Now, this one, drink. What number shows... Oh, sorry, Pat. I forgot this one. Sorry. Wait, I will erase the other one. Wait, ha. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Forgot the 5. And this is number 6. 6. Okay, is it clear already? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now here, drink. What number is drink? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number is drink? Where will I point it? Number 6. All right, teacher will point it to number 6. Next, how about eat? What number is eat?
5.
5. Okay, 5. Next, dance. What number is dance? Number
3.
3. Are you sure number 3?
No.
Dance.
2.
2. Oh, number 2. Pat says number 2. Right. How about sing? What number is sing?
1.
1. All right. 1. Next. What number is play? Play. What number?
3.
3. 3. How about talk? What number is talk? 4.
4.
Right. Okay. All right. Wait for a while. Here. I'm going to put it here. Okay, here. So, you already matched the word to the actions that we do during birthday party. Now, it's time for us to check if your answer is correct. Number 1, drink. You put drink to number 6. Let's try to check if it's number 6. It is pointing number 6. So meaning you are check. Okay, wait, I'll check it. No, this one. Correct. Next, number 2, eat. Okay, eat. You put it in number 5. All right, 5. Oh, you got it again. So, teacher will check it. Great job, Pat. Next, dance. You put dance to number 2. Let's try to check if it's number 2. Okay, great job. Look at that one. Dance pointing to number 2. Very good. So I will put check again here. Next. Okay, next, sing. You put sing to number 1. Now let's try to check if it's still in number 1. Are you correct?
Yes.
Yes, you are correct. All right, check. Okay, next. Number 5, play. You put number 5, play to number 3. Okay, let's check. Oh no, this one. Check. Oh no, wait for a while. Let's try to check. Number 5, and talk to number 4. So, overall, you got perfect score. Very good. Correct everything. So, okay, here. So, let's have a review. Drink, eat, dance, sing, play, and
Talk.
talk. Very good. Very good. Next. Okay. What can you do at the birthday party? You're going to write the answer. All right. I will write here. Number 1. What is number 1 doing? They look at that. What is number? Play. Spelling of play.
Play.
Play what? They play
Game.
games. Now, can you tell me the spelling of the word games?
G.
G. Next to G.
A.
A. Next.
M.
Next.
E.
E. And last word.
S.
S. Play games. Now, how about this one? What is this doing? What is that? Again? Eat. Now, can you tell me the spelling of the word eat? Letter E. Again?
E. A.
Next.
G.
E, A, and last letter is letter T. Oh, eat. Very good. There, eat. Now, how about the third one? What is the third one doing?
Dance.
Dance. Now, tell me the spelling of the word dance. Letter D. A.
N.
And
C.
C, and letter
E.
E. Very good. Dance. Next, how about this fourth picture? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing?
Drink.
Drink. Yes.
Drink.
Letter D. Next, letter
R.
R. Next, letter I. Next, letter
N.
and letter
K.
K. Drink. Very good. Now this one. How about this? What are they doing?
S.
S. Next,
I. N.
and
G.
they sing a.
A.
They sing
S.
S.
O.
O.
N.
And
G.
G. Sing a song. Next. Okay, wait. All right. How about this one? What are they doing? They what? They talk. Okay, they talk. Now, what's the spelling of the word talk? Letter
E.
C.
A.
A.
L.
L, and letter
K.
K. Talk. All right. Now here, let us read what you wrote here. Okay. What is the first picture doing? This one. What's this? What can you do at a birthday party?
Play games.
Play games. Next.
Eat.
Next.
Dance.
Next. Drink. Next.
Sing a song.
Sing a song. And the last thing that we can do on a birthday party is
Talk.
talk. Okay. So those things we usually do at the birthday party. All right. Next. Okay. I will erase first everything that teacher is Our teacher wrote. Okay, here. When is your birthday? Say, my birthday is on March 9. Oh, I'll write it here. When is your birthday? My birthday is on, when is it? March? March 9. All right. Next. What do you have on your birthday party? What do you have? What are the things you have there? I have the one you will blow. I have what's that? Candles. What else? What else? What do you eat there? Again? Cake. How about the one that I will give?
Balloon.
Again?
Balloon.
Balloon. And it starts with letter G.
Gift.
Gift. Yes. There you go. I have candles, cake, balloon, and gift. Next. Who do you invite? Who are the person that you want to go there? I will invite my... Who do you want to go there? My F-R-I-E-N-D. What is that?
Friends.
Friends and family. Okay. So you will ask your friend and your family to go on your birthday party. Next. What can you do at your birthday party? The one that we discussed. I can. What can you do on your birthday party, Pat? I can eat. Next. I can. What else? Drink. I can.
Dance.
I can dance. What else? I can. Sing a song. And what else? I can play games. All right. So if someone will ask you, Pat, when is your birthday? You will say, when is your birthday? My birthday.
What?
Is on March 9. Next, what do you have on your birthday party?
I have candle, cake, balloon, and gift.
Right. Next, who do you invite?
I will invite my friend and family.
Friends. Again, friends. And?
Friends.
All right. What can you do at your birthday party? Louder.
I can eat.
I can eat.
I can drink.
I can drink.
Dance. I can sing a song. I can play games.
All right. So again, I will ask you again. Now here, I will ask you. Now, Pat, when is your birthday party? Look at there. When is your birthday party? Oh, no, when is your birthday? Sorry. Read your answer.
My birthday is on March 9.
All right. So, what do you have on your birthday party?
I have candle.
Candles. There's S. Again. I have.
Candles.
What else?
Cake, balloon, and gifts.
Okay, gift. Next, who do you invite? Who do you invite? This one, I will. Who do you invite? I will. Say it, I will. Pat, I will invite.
My friends and family.
Okay, again, who do you invite? I will
Invite my friends and family.
Okay, next. What can you do at your birthday party? What can you do on your birthday party?
I can eat, I can drink, I can dance, I can sing a song, I can play games.
Ah, very good. So those are the things that you will answer if someone will ask you about your birthday and what are the things you can do on your birthday. So please familiarize those answers because those are the common answers that you will say. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Yes. So, okay, next. Oh, all right. So, that is the end of our class. But before I will end, listen. Before teacher Jessa will end it, teacher will ask again. Oh, because I want to check if you remember the one we discussed today. Now here, first question. What can you do on your birthday party? What can you do there? There are 6. What can you do there first? What's the first one? I can?
No.
I can? What can you do there? I can? I can eat. What else? I can drink.
I can dance.
I can dance. I can sing a song.
I can play a game.
I can play games. And
I can talk.
I can talk. Very good. Yeah, talking. Friends, talking. Very good. Next. How about the one we discussed last Saturday? Oh, what are the things that you will see on your birthday party? I have. What are the things you will have on your birthday party? I can have or I have. Okay, what do you have there? I have balloons. Okay, what do you have on your birthday?
Balloons.
Balloons. What else?
Candles.
Candles. What else? How about the one you will eat? Cake, good. How about the one that I will give? Gift, yes. And the one that you will give to your friend so that your friend will be invited. What do you call this one? The paper. In?
Present.
Ah, present. Yeah. How about the paper? It says here, go to my birthday on March 9 at my house. What is that? The paper.
Invitation.
Invitation. Very good. You still remember. Very good memory you have. Okay, I guess that would be all for tonight. And Pat, I will see you next. Oh, no. I will see you on Wednesday. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So Teacher Jessa will see you on Wednesday. Goodbye, Pat.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Did you learn tonight? Did you learn? Did you learn? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes, I learned. So that would be all for tonight. Goodbye. Okay, see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.